In this video, I am going to share 3 best coins for you, and if you are going to buy one of them, seriously, you will get some good profit in the future. Because this coin which I am going to share with you in this video is entirely a unique coin, and definitely it has a real value in our daily life. Most of the coins in the market at this time don't have anything in their back. Even the USDT don't have the USD on their back. But this coin has all the usage and all the things on their back, so it will make it entirely unique.
Feel uninvited.
So the first coin in our list is LCX. It's a utility token and it gives us the solution for the compliant digital assets and security tokens combination of a tokenization platform and a legal infrastructure. And very soon the team of the LCX is going to launch their own exchange for the security tokens and other crypto assets. LCX aims to build the new infrastructure for digital finance, focusing on all aspects of the compliance and regulations, investing to build AML and KYC technology solutions at the institutional and consumer level, including on-chain analytics and surveillance for all the crypto deposits and withdrawals. LCX is continuously engaging with policymakers, regulators, and financial institutions and will routinely participate in financial and security audits. And already LCX launched a trading software to manage the crypto assets across the multiple Bitcoin exchanges and the LCX terminal. LCX team already launched the crypto trading software to manage the crypto assets across the multiple Bitcoin exchanges. Secondly, we have the INK token. XNK is an e-commerce token and right now on the Listia marketplace with over 10 million users, million of items listed using XNK. So you can buy anything directly online with the help of the XNK token, and you can pay and you can buy and sell anything directly with the help of XNK token. So it's a great thing about this one platform, XNK. But the basic thing, the basic mindset which I want to share in this video is about the backing of the coin, and I will definitely share about that one also, that which coin has the backing on their behind. It means that something is in the real life. It is not, the whole thing is not the virtual, but something is in the real life. So I will definitely share about that one too. But the XNK is also a good pick if you are going to choose it. With the help of XNK, you can buy anything worldwide and you can pay them with the utility of the XNK token. Now, here comes the time to talk about a real coin which has a real value in our life, GSX. It's my favorite coin, GSX, and I want to tell you each and everything that how it is entirely unique and different from the other coins. A GSX is a stable coin trust backed by the physical gold and mines, with many large mines and a refinery being added, including a number of future hard rock gold mines as well as a future copper mine, tantalum mine, nickel mine, and lithium mine. GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of the land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo Fintech, the assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. Continual increase in value land and gold backing GSX. First year minimum asset goal is $7 billion in assets, making the individual asset value 0.23 USD per GSX. Second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value is about 0.66 per GSX. Third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX, and then continue along a similar pace. GSX gold and metals, the reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms, mainly the BVA. The GSX holders are entitled for the yearly dividends of 50% of all the gold and metals mined or refined after the expenses and expansion. They are also entitled to a significant portion of the transaction fees from the Apollo Fintech products, mainly the national payment platform which is developed to run the economies, and 50% of the 10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. Value moves to surviving the GSX. and GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price. GSX combines the best elements from a stable coin, cryptocurrency, and investment coin. Its price could trade much higher than its asset value, so it has the growth benefits of a traditional cryptocurrency like BTC, with the potential base asset value that would prevent it from the sinking drastically, and holders receive the constant dividends of an investment coin, which further drives its value, giving the holders the benefit of all three of the best investment options in the crypto at this time. And the best part, GSX will be one of the first quantum resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm on the Apollo blockchain. Quantum computing is the number one greatest threat to the blockchain at the moment. And as per my own price prediction about all these coins, and especially the GSX, which I love the most, definitely this coin will reach up to $5 because the burning ratio is entirely big. Any token which are not going to sold out in the public sale at this time, they are going to burn those tokens. So it's a great thing about the GSX coin. It will definitely give you some good profit, and you must have to read all the things on the white paper. Thanks a lot.